We appreciate your interest in scheduling a 30-minute cable railing consultation with us. In this video, we'll go over a few of the things that you'll need to do in preparation that will help you get the most out of your consultation. Prior to booking, we recommend that you watch the videos linked below to help familiarize yourself with how cable railing systems work and the differences between the HAAS REVO and AXIS cable railing systems. Additionally, you can find a full list of cable railing instructional videos as well as project overviews on our HAAS Stainless Cable Railing YouTube channel. Next, you'll need to provide us with a basic overhead sketch or reference drawing that shows us the current or proposed post and handrail layout for your cable railing project. When creating your reference drawing, please ensure that your sketch includes the same design features and specifications that are present in our example drawing that you see here. Be sure to include features like the linear foot length of each cable run, the handrail height measuring from the surface of the deck to the underside of your handrail, and the size and types of posts that you're using. Your provided reference drawing is important since it allows us to accurately outline your system's specific needs and ensures that you'll get the best result. Once you've created the drawing for your project, it's time to submit it. Attach it in an email and address it to cablerailing@e-rigging.com and send it off. Getting it to us prior to your consultation will allow us time to review it. Thank you for your interest in scheduling a consultation with us to help you plan out your cable railing project. I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless, and we'll be talking with you soon.